Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 10 Lite and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here we have to scroll in order to find passwords and security. As you can see here we've got some options highlighted and we do not have the fingerprint because it is turned off. So first of all, let's tap on it. But as you can see, we've got this strange situation, let's say, which may be quite confusing because we have to set the screen lock, but we just tapped on the fingerprint. Well, it is because that your device requires the setting the screen lock. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the screen lock. Of course, if you've got the screen lock currently set, you will be just transferred to another step, but you will be able to immediately add the fingerprint. So if you do not have the screen lock, just pick the one you'd like to set. Of course, you've got the information that you have to remember your password and so on. So just tap on got it, just draw the pattern, in my case, redraw it and confirm. Alright, and as you can see, right now we can add the fingerprint. We've got also the photo or the image of how to do it. We have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button of the device on the right side. So just position the device like you would normally use it and place the finger which will be the most comfortable for you. So I will pick this finger, and right now we have to put it and do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. Of course, we have to slightly change the position of our finger to record, to catch all of the corners and so on, all of the edges. Okay, so be patient because as you can see, it may take a while. Okay, right now we have to add like more of the sides of our fingerprint, again for better recognition. Alright, and as you can see, we just successfully added the fingerprint. I don't want to add the face data. Of course you can if you want to. Here we've got the fingerprint name and we can tap on done. Let's rename it because why not? Let's rename it to the index. All right, tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint options. So this is the fingerprint, obviously we just added. We can rename it again or remove it here. Here we can add another fingerprint, and I believe we can add up to 5 fingerprints to the device. We've got also the recognition method. As you can see, we've got the press and the touch. The press is when you will put the finger, you've got to record it and press the button. Touch is when you will only touch, and personally I prefer the touch option, so let me pick it. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so for example the lock screen, privacy, password, app lock, or the fingerprint payments. It's up to you. Alright, enough of talking. Let's lock the device and let me check if it will be unlocked. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.